save the ball off his line because he went wandering a little bit. But
final in 2003 and the World Athletics in 1999. Interesting, sir, but it's a fixture that hasn't been played that often competitively of late. It's a repeat of the Euro final in 2008 when Fernando.
Fabian Ruiz, who was there, didn't have a great game himself, right? And Koch played it surprisingly as a defensive midfielder against Ukraine, so he dropped.
And the Spaniards will be wearing black armband. There's Morata. Sergio Roberto. Through ball from Timo Werner looking for
Sure.
Ferran Torres blocked by Timo Werner.
Motion, he did stop it, and Dani Olmo with his momentum just kind of ran into him. Whoa!
There's the opening goal for Spain from the corner.
Incredible what he's doing as of late, and that's exactly what Spain need, don't they? Alvaro Morata. Look at that ball to the far post. That really is a bad marking on the far post as well. And if you look at Serge Gnabry, he's got to look at himself and say, well, doing that, here's the goal once again, and just blind. You turn your back to the player that it's behind. That quality in Alvaro Morata.
Spain, 1 year and 2 days on. There's an opportunity now for Ferran Torres. That's going to worry the Germans how easily one simple diagonal ball.
Max has got so much to do. You see that initial pass.
Roberto. Good move, this one from the Spaniards. It gets beyond Ginter, and the header's off the bar. The follow-up from Ferran Torres is into the back of the net. What a fine goal that is from the Spaniards. And they double their advantage. Spain 2, Germany 0.
My goodness. Once again, we're going to start talking about German defending there. Once again, I was just going to say that Jogi Löw again has to react quickly because of all the problems on the right-hand side. Dani Olmo, look at that glancing header right there. Neuer still getting up, but the power of that strike 7 yards out. Felix Max didn't react. Yeah, just really steps into it. Waits for that ball to come down. Perfect technique, really.
Again, with Fabian. Ferran Torres is in the middle. Our coverage begins. Ata's in the centre. Saved, but the follow-up from Koke, blocked by Robin Koch. That really should have been 4. Whether or not... This is like a cavalry charge. And again, for Ginter. From Fabian Ruiz. What an opportunity for number 4. And there you go. It's all too easy. And Ferran Torres at the double. If looks could kill.
Just way too easy, a real clinic, and once again, just too many players that aren't ready to be playing at this level at the moment. Again, Jonathan Tah comes into the game. Look at his reaction, look how slow he is. I mean, here's a player that doesn't even play for Bayer Leverkusen.
And that is not a mistake!
My goodness. I mean, just the quality of that strike alone, never mind the space they've gotten. As I've said, Germany have mailed it in. Very uncharacteristic of that team and their men.
Gaia. What a chance! It is 6! Would you believe it? Oyarzabal with 2 minutes to go. Someone closed the gate. This horse has bolted a long time ago. Spain 6, Germany 0.
And I didn't think that Gaia was going to get there because I think